My name is Steve. I live in Selbyville, Delaware. I have spinal stenosis and have had 4 lower lumbar fusion and decompression surgeries. First one back in May of 2012, and the most recent was November 2018. Left me, even after the surgeries, I still had residual pain. And I also have an arthritic left knee. I've had my right knee replaced, and so my son lives in Boston, and he had told me about the Boston stem cell. That I should look into that specifically for my knee, and possibly could help give me some relief in my back. So met with Dr. Pearl back in the early fall of 2019, and she talked about the knee, examined the knee. She proposed a new procedure called Discseel, which she was in the process of learning how to do herself. It was perfected by a doctor in Texas, and he was coming to her office in December, and so I decided to give that a try. And the main reason was, prior to that, I seemed to have more back pain the more active I was. And reading and researching about the Discseel, the thing that made sense to me was that when you have these degenerating discs, which I have, from the stenosis, it leaves cracks in the disc, which excrete fluid from the spinal cord out onto the nerves, and it aggravates the nerves. So it made sense to me that, because when I was more active, doing more walking, etc., I would be in more pain. So I decided to give it a shot. So went to the office on December 6th. Procedure lasted a little over an hour. First part of April, I was able to be more active with less pain. I felt that the Discseel procedure definitely helped with my pain. I'm probably reduced it by 50%, and the big difference, I guess, is that I feel like I can be more active, do more exercising without aggravating